Hi everyone and welcome back to today's morning report on Wednesday the 1st of April with me, Rich Perry, Market Analyst at Hantech Markets. Let's look at Euro dollar, and the euro has been falling yesterday, and I think now we're seeing a bit of a breakdown because this move that we saw just under 108 figure was an interesting move because it's now sort of taken the momentum indicators into more of a corrective outlook. Stochastics certainly in decline. MACD lines sort of settling underneath neutral, which is obviously same sort of situation that we saw back in end of Feb at the consolidation there, and also the RSI falling over and having downside potential as well. So I think it's looking at increasingly a little bit worrying. And this is the hourly chart, and that shows you here that the break below 108 figure. 108 figure that I'd been looking at as a key support area breakdown, and then today we've had a rally. That rally as overnight topped out at 107.91, so just underneath that 108 figure resistance, and I think that is a key factor there because we're now seeing the euro starting to fall away, and you could argue it sort of completes a small top pattern. And then in that case, I suppose you'd measure 108 towards 110.50. I mean, that's 250 pips. I mean, that is sort of worst case scenario in terms of downside. 250 pips from 108 is obviously 105.50, basically back towards the lows, or certainly that low that we saw there on the 18th of March. And it certainly looks as though we're now rolling over moving averages or falling. I'm still looking out for this 55-hour moving average, which had been a bit of a basis of support and is now becoming the basis of resistance in these rallies, and that's currently at 107.91, so again underneath that 108 figure level, so that gives you an idea of the resistance in play. So we've got the hourly RSI as well. Look at this, since we've started rolling over, failing around the mid 50s and turning lower. MACD lines on the hourly failing around the neutral line and rolling over. Stochastics, again a sell signal that we've had in the last couple of hours. Sell signal similar to the one that we had on the 27th. All these things are suggesting to me that this euro is now going lower, and we're going to test this key low that we saw at 107.12 from yesterday, and the likelihood is it's going to get broken to the downside, and then you reopen all these lows that we saw back from mid March, sort of the 106.50 level, and then 106 area, and then 105.50. And then possibly even the low again. So that is my expectation anyway, that I think the euro is now in this downside scenario. I mean, you could even draw a downtrend there. No, you can't actually. Shame. But you still get a gauge of this 55-hour moving average, which is now the basis of resistance. Anyway, I wish you good luck in your trading on euro today. I think we need a break above, certainly a break back above 108 figure to start to consider the fact that the bears are sort of losing control, and I would say that they've lost control if you start to move above the resistance at 109 figure, which had been support and then turned into a sort of a resistance. So I wish you good luck in your euro trading, and I'll speak to you later. Lots going on today, so the PMIs, certainly the US ISM data, will have a big impact on this chart. So I'll speak to you later. Thank you.